Hi guys, welcome to my video and today I am talking about the OTT platforms. What is this? So you know that I am your host, I am your buddy, I am bro. This is Pawan Sharma here. So let's start the video. So, so what is a OTT platform? So you may think that you know or don't know about the OTT platform. It's a very common these days. You can also use it. You may have heard about the Netflix, Amazon Prime, and the Hotstar. These types of the platform is a OTT platforms or video streaming platform. So, what is a OTT platform? So, the full form of the OTT platform is the over the top. Over the top when they refer to the films and the televisions and the content provided by the high speed internet. So connection is there rather than the cable satellite provider. So over the media services in the streaming, the media services offer directly view the internet, and so basically you can watch video and shows online in them with the help of the internet. So how to OTT platform works? There's the works there are two works in two types: subscription based services and the advertisement services. So subscription based services, what is the subscription based services? You have pay the monthly and the yearly and watch the content. In this case, the platform does not show the any advertisement to give any premium to the subscription. So you can choose easily based on the subscription yearly. And like Netflix, Amazon is example for them. And second one is the free for free OTT platform is you don't pay for the any this platform. In this case, the what show the advertising between the advertising show the between the shows to give not give you a premium, so please buy this subscription, can I add this subscription and you free this advertisement like that, something like that. One of the example of the free OTT platform is the MX Player. One of them is the famous, and there is also platform you choose the free services, paid services, and premium content the service same of the like Hotstar. You don't pay the Hotstar also. So after after the subscription, after the yes, you don't need the any, and you can access these platform by web browser and also also your web browser and also your mobile application. Simple as that. And what is there is a lots of benefit of the OTT platform. The first one, convenience of the watching. If you like can watch movie on the computer and on the tablet and the your smartphones. Second one, you can watch your shows and movies anywhere, anytime, any place. Simple as that. And third one, will you will you also traveling, you also watch them. Third one is you don't need to follow the time to don't follow the schedule like TV. They always this movie coming to this time, this coming this movie this time, and you have wide range content. And the same time you can choose the whatever you want to watch. So time is changing, so technology is changing. Also the big broadcast channel networks are coming in the internet. They launching the own OTT platform like so network their OTT platform like Hotstar, Videogone, 18 network, as has also Wood. Sony Live like a Sony network is have a Sony Live. So there are lots of OTT platform companies. So there are so many so much content in internet, much so much content to entertain you, and you just select the clip and thousands of movies, thousands of books, and thousands of videos coming to you and watch everywhere. Just click on the just one finger. So this is all about the OTT platform as my opinion. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you so much.